Code of conduct chairman Justice Umar. My people, I don't bring una matter from this man. Code of conduct. I know why they repeat it, una go understand me later. They catch this man. In fact, if una see wahala, this one I they call wahala. If they assault security guard publicly, this one when we say they hide them one thing. If una see crowd, everybody even gather. He brutalize the guy. He beat him. In fact, this guy, as I told you now, his body just full with injury. The guy, I bet make I no just waste my time. They defy this thing, you understand? And this thing happened for Abuja Plaza. Wetin be the cause of this thing? Wetin this security guard do? As a security guard, you understand, they control cars where they come in and cars where they go out. Justice Omar decides say they park out. This guy just come meet her with even respect. With respect, oh, he just tell her say, sir, I beg, park like this. Don't park it like this. Only this one. Now the only sense the way this guy make, before you know and slap this one, they even tell me need that. I bet for now we never see, we never hear. Join me, make we watch the video.
Oh God, you have lost the case. Your power will not save you.
As I told you now, this guy, they receive treatment. And that treatment, me and you said we know. Say now from your money. Now from your own pocket, this one go, you understand? Now you go pay for everything. And even after, as if say no even day enough, he still go in car, say they collect something to come hit him. I don't just understand. Which kind of temperament all these people get like this? See people where some people they look up to. I say some people because me, I'm not even they look up. I'm not no waiting they up there to look, nothing they up. So I'm not even the see where they look up. Why you go treat human being like this? The one who even bust my head, he's tied to Code of Conduct chairman. Code of Conduct. When I even suppose they arrest people where they behave like this, chairman, you never even feel control yourself for public for that matter. Even if now your behavior, you are dealing with it, you are doing this one, at least if you dey public, you get how you supposed to even control yourself. I beg, see, Abuja people now today civilized. Abuja people today civilized because by now, hey, I will say na Aja or Lagos, this thing happen. My brother, you go collect. You not go even recover from this one. My people, not even try am. This one at least, no, I not say they support, they fight, but they don't do it the way. No, we don't know what they talk about for Aba or Bariga. Hey, not even go there. Una go hear matter. This you go hear where. See the thing go enter in head. Next time, if he meet, even if he meet beggar, he go greet her. Many of una need, see, they need to teach you how to get manners. This thing is bad. Like, when I say bad, this is terrible. If I tell you we are governed by animals, no, wait till be the meaning of this one. This one a human being. As the one who I just watch now, a human being be that. We are in fact, animal kingdom self, they even they organize. Animal kingdom, they organize, they get head, they get who they fear, they get like they know how they do their things. But see us. Person still need to come preach. Person still need at this level where we dey. I beg, see, make I tell you something. If 2023 If 2023 we forget say they kill our people for Lekki toll gate and we still go vote for these animals, hey, now they are going really know say something is wrong. In fact, we are under a spell. Now they are going know am. If after this thing one una dey see, no be say una dey hear am. I even put video. If after all this thing one una dey watch, person still waka with him crooked legs, go vote for these people. Ha! Now be say Nigeria is under a curse. It's not normal. Because this thing alone suppose open una eye so that una go know say these people they don't mean well for us. Simple. Only park here. So please, even the user, even the no, this one is bad. This one is bad. And I beg, I just hope say no be just the one way una go say, hey, we are looking into the matter. There's no matter to look inside though. We have seen already. No, nothing. Make una no just bring us that one. Because I know say tomorrow now. No, make una watch am. Tomorrow he go come in front of camera. I am really sorry for this, and now so they go just close matter. Meanwhile, we know that he's not sorry. We know that he's not sorry. These people, they are evil. Evil. At least are they happy saying, oh, even though the guy chop slap or they injure him or anything, at least people stand for the guy. Now the one way even make me happy small. You understand? Not like other. No, we know it don't happen before. When they harass person, people they there, they don't even feel do anything. At least this one they stand for them, and like that is supposed to be. Because these people see, no matter how, and they tell her this every time, you go see one go come outside, they talk against the other one, they meet, they plan. They see, and they tell you, me and you fit dey with different parties. I go come meet you say, see, I won't talk against you. These people are capable of everything. And when you see them for camera now, you go dey happy, say this one is not supporting that one. See, they are liars. And una go dey carry the way. When they don't tell you one sweet thing, una go forget una save. Una go see, they are one. Now why if they pay me when I dey see say our like our one-on-one, like we the youth, we they fall under these people every time. I'm not just understand. How much money they feel give you? How much money they feel give you? See, these people they never even chop money finish. The way that they see them, they never even chop finish. If you not give them a chance, they go say Nigeria join. So I bet me would see this thing will happen. Eh? I'm not happy say this guy injured, but I they talk about the unity, the togetherness. You understand? Now like that we suppose they roll. Simple. Even though they win now, let them win. But the more they say we did together, you not go see something go happen. Not the one way they beat person, they maltreat person. All of them go stand there, the whole camera, the video, nobody they do anything. Now like this good. When I even say they even lock gates, they lock it so that I no go. See this one, I happy. I just happy for that fact. Very, very important. And I beg my people, make una dey very careful. Because already we know the kind of animals where they here. Make una dey very careful. And as for you, security guard, they never identify your name and your face very well. But anyhow, it happen. Now for here, now go still get that. Bros, I'm very sorry and I wish you speedy recovery. You understand? Very, very important. My people, I beg, make una help me share this video so that everybody go know how this code of conduct chairman they behave. In title self, not even they match with in character. Because share like that and make una dey careful as usual. And don't forget to subscribe. If not, how you want they are aware of matters like this. Very, very important. And drop your comment. I will reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.